Here is how to reduce iPad operating system storage. Many users have noticed that iPad operating system consumes a significant portion of their iPad storage, especially on 32 GB or 64 GB models, and this can be problematic. So, to check your iPad operating system storage, you need to go to your settings first, then go to General tab, then select iPad storage, and you'll see a breakdown of storage usage. For example, in my case, iPad operating system uses 54.45 GB of 256 GB. And if you also disable Apple Intelligence, you can significantly reduce the storage taken up by iPad operating system. And by updating to a newer iPad version might occasionally reduce its size, it often remains similar. So beyond the disabling Apple Intelligence, there isn't much else you can do to shrink the core iPad's operating system storage. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.